you've come to from speaklikeanegyptian.com. Welcome to this new Egyptian Arabic lesson. This lesson is very useful and you can't miss it. You can't miss it. Today I'm gonna be teaching you some stuff related to the question words. So we have 5 main question words that we're gonna use in this, or we're gonna learn in this class actually. First of all, make sure to press subscribe and press on the ring button to get all the notifications of the new classes to your notification area in your mobile or in your desktop, whatever. Okay, so let's start with the first question word, the word A. A. The word A means what? What? A. For example, Esmak Eh, what's your name? Esmak Eh. Esmak Eh, what's your name? By the way, let me highlight something. The word is in English, we don't have something like it in Egyptian Arabic. There is nothing called is in Egyptian Arabic. So, Esmak Eh, that means if you're gonna translate it word to word, it's gonna be like, what your name? What your name, without the S. Okay? So, Esmak Eh. Esmak Eh. Then we have the next question word, which is the word Emta, that means when. Emta. Emta. Okay? So for example, when should I go? Arouh Emta. Arouh Emta. Arouh Emta. So here we're actually talking about time. And the question word is Emta. Then we have the word feen. Feen. That means where. Feen. Alaoud feen. Where should I stay? Alaoud feen. Alaoud feen. Where should I stay? For example, if you want to ask a friend for consultancy or a question, you can go like, where should I stay in Cairo? أقعد فين في القاهرة. أقعد فين في القاهرة. أقعد فين في القاهرة. That means, where should I stay in Cairo? And here the question word is the word feen, which is related to a location. Next we have the word ezay. That means how. How should I study? Azaker ezay. How should I study? Azaker ezay. Ezay. That means how. Azaker ezay. How should I study? And finally we have the word meen. Meen. That means whom. And also means who. So who is going? It go like Meen Rayeh. Meen Rayeh. Meen Rayeh. Who is going? Meen Rayeh. So that was all for the session for now. If you are interested in private online classes with me, make sure to send me an email at info@speaklikeanegyptian.com and WhatsApp me on the number on the description box below and press the box. So in this box, you're gonna go to a class, a new session, which is you're gonna learn 5 daily used Egyptian Arabic words that you can't live without in Egypt. Most used 5 words in Egypt. Thank you for watching and see you in our next lesson. Bye bye.